I've been comparing Softr and Noloco throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased take on which one might suit you better. Softr is great if you're just getting started or want to build a clean-looking web app, portal, or internal tool fast. It connects easily with Airtable or Google Sheets and has ready-made templates you can customize without touching any code. It's perfect for freelancers, small teams, or anyone who wants to get an app up and running in a few hours. But once you start needing advanced features like user-level permissions, custom workflows, or detailed access control, Softr can start to feel a bit limiting. That's where Noloco steps in. It offers a lot more depth when it comes to building internal tools for teams. You get more flexibility, better automation options, and powerful role-based access control, which is essential if your app involves different types of users or data privacy. However, that power also comes with a slightly steeper learning curve, and the pricing can jump if you want access to all the advanced features. So, if simplicity and speed are your top priorities, Softr is the easier pick. But if you're building something for a team or a client and need more control, Noloco is the stronger long-term option. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.